Hi everyone, so today we are at Hina Rathore and we are going to catch Hina off guard because we really want to know how she is managing all these brands she has on her portfolio. Let's do it.
Yeah, that's fine. देख लेते हैं उसको क्या करना है, ठीक है?
Oh, hi Hina.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
This is
How
I'll
are
call
you?
you back, yeah? Yeah, I'm very well. आप बताएं, how come you're here today?
So I have a list of questions that I would love to hear from you. Are you ready?
Well, I have no other option. Let's start.
Okay, so when you started Hina Rathore,
Yeah.
it was very difficult to find the balance between high street and couture in Pakistan. So how did you figure out the entire thing?
Well, I feel the first and the foremost thing is to identify the problem in the market, which is what I did. I realized when I survey in the market and I obviously directly deal with the clients as well, so I figured it out that either हमारे पास बहुत low quality product market में available है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा high end है, which is not easy on pocket, it costs you your arm and leg. So I figured out कि no, we still can provide excellent pieces with hand embroideries and beautiful artwork in this, and we still can provide pure materials, and it should be accessible to most of the people.
So Hina, what are your non-negotiables in terms of design?
So for me, I guess quality, durability and customer experience. That is very important. एक होता है customer care और एक होता है customer experience. So हमारे brand में basically we try and make sure कि throughout from the time the client walks in our studio and they place an order till the time they take the outfit out of the studio, उनका एक experience अच्छा होना चाहिए, and they should always come back to us. So that is what is non-negotiable for me. So Anam, what's your next question?
तो एक बात बताएं, what do you hate about your work?
Oh, that's a tricky question. Well, there are two things that I really hate about this work is one, long hours, and the other thing I really hate about this work is since it's a very glamorous industry, so people really don't take our work seriously. They think, oh, अच्छा ये तो बड़ा chill सा काम होगा, but जबकि है नहीं. And I think it's really time consuming. जिस तरह fast pace पे fashion change हो रहा है, so we have to be right on our toes. So I think that's one thing I really hate about it. Yeah.
So Hina, what's the power article of Hina Rathore?
Power article of Hina Rathore. Well, I think there's very unique thing about this brand is I use a lot of solid colors. I go for sharp cuts. So it actually keeps the essence of the fabric alive. I really don't like to, kill it with a lot of embroideries and a lot of handwork when it comes to daily wears or light party wears as well. So I think that's the power of the brand itself, that we keep the essence of the fabric alive.
So Hina, tell us about your new bridal studio.
Well, I think let's just walk there and show you.
Sure.
So this is the bridal studio. Let me show you around.
हिना, शादी एक बहुत important event होता है. I really want to know how do you strike the balance between the family pressure and the new generation bride come up with?
I'm glad that you brought this question up, Anam. Actually, dress is not the problem these days because I know what I do and I'm good at what I do.
Yeah.
So the actual problem that we face is to strike a balance between the girl and the parents. होता basically ये है कि आजकल की generation, they are really into minimal clothing. They don't want to wear a lot of hand embroideries. They don't want to wear full sleeves. They don't want to basically go for those old classical heritage
Heavy
clothes.
embroidery.
नहीं करना चाहती लड़कियाँ, but parents obviously बच्चे हैं, शादी है, they want to go for 2 shawls or maybe heavier embroideries, full sleeves. So वहाँ पे जो conflict आता है, conflict of interest आता है. So the point here is हमें basically यही एक वाहिद challenge आता है. बाकी काम का तो आया सच मैंने कभी pressure नहीं लिया, ना bridals का कभी pressure लिया है.
So Hina, अगर किसी लड़की को bridal के लिए specifically order place करना हो तो what's the procedure?
Procedure is quite simple. We are very much accessible to our clients, very much reachable to everyone actually. That's the plus point. Mostly आप brands को messages करते रहें, DMs करते रहें, they don't respond, but we are very much active. अब procedure basically ये है कि you DM us, you call us, you book an appointment, and we obviously will give you a time. From the moment the customer walks in our studio, we understand and we go according to the choice of the client and the nature of the event. So basically you need to understand कि nature of event क्या है, indoor है, outdoor है, night event है, day event है. So लड़की का body type क्या है, how exactly what she'll be able to pull off. So there are a lot of factors that you basically need to keep in mind while taking the order, and not only just to understand what she's trying to say, but also to educate or to guide them to what is in trend, what is it that she will be able to pull off better, and then show the work accordingly, and that's how you take it forward.
So Hina, now I want some tea. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी event के ऊपर there is some last moment changes or anything that happened and you dealt with the crisis management thing with your team? I really want to know.
Interesting question, Anam, but in fact, yes, I remember one. So we took an order for a bride, and what happened is she came over with her in-laws. It was a walima outfit, and then she placed an order, and we took her measurements and everything, so that they agree कि हमने size यही दिया. जब 2 महीने बाद customer trial के लिए हमारे पास पहली दफ़ा आई, and she came alone actually for the first trial. She didn't come with her in-laws, and मैं bridal try करवा रही हूँ, and I'm like, oh my god, what a disaster or mess I have made. ये तो बिल्कुल इसको fit ही नहीं हो रहा. Like I'm panicking at studio. I'm like, इतना बड़ा disaster, 15 दिन बाद शादी है. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And I'm just, just freaking out. And then all of a sudden, my assistant came over and she'd be like, ma'am, why don't we check her size once again? She guided me that maybe she has put on some weight.
Okay.
And when we opened the sizes, so she placed an order with us at about 35, and then when she came back, she was somewhere about 37.5. So,
Okay.
gaining a lot of weight on the upper body part wouldn't just make her fit the dress. But gladly, the in-laws were quite sensible people. They came over and they were like, Hina, we understand. It's not your fault. We've been telling her as well that you need to, you have given a measurement for a dress, which is such a big event. But I'm glad they were understanding, and we somehow tried to, sort the dress, and it was fine. But then again, the stress that I had to deal with was definitely a difficult one.
So this was your second venture. What else is on the list? I heard about the multi-brand store.
Well, this was another venture that was on the list for me to do.
Okay.
I always have a dream of having multiple businesses. First was clothing, then multi-brand store, then bridal studio.
We can see that.
Yeah, then I started some jewelry, then there's salon, वो भी अभी मैं आपको दिखाएंगे. With this venture, I think I would like to pay back. What I mean by that is that I've realized that there are so many people who are working from home. They are looking for a very well-established place जो कि आपको एक space provide कर रही है, safe space provide कर रही है, to display their art, display their dresses, जहाँ पे वो अपने product को रखवा सकते हैं. It's a very premium location. At a very minimal charges, we are offering multiple packages to our different designers. We're keeping home products as well. We are keeping jewelries and multiple other options. So we have a list of options.
Okay, Hina, so what would be that piece of advice you'd like to give it to the young entrepreneurs, specifically who are like scaling up?
Well, my piece of advice to people who want to upscale their business or even if they want to get into business, I'd say do not take an advice from someone who has never done business. One, and number two, do not listen to everybody who keeps on telling you that you can't do this, you can't do that. You do you, because the vision you have been gifted by God is gifted to you, not to everybody else. Because अगर उनको मिला होता वो vision तो आज वो ये काम कर रहे होते. And do not listen to people what they say. You just keep on doing. Consistency is the key. There is no shortcut to success, and keep doing what's in your mind, and sooner or later you'll be there.
That's a wonderful advice. So you recently mentioned that there is a salon named Nook.
Yeah.
So I really want to look into that entire thing.
Sure. Let's go. Let me show you around. So this is the latest project that I've just started about 2 weeks back, Nook Salon and Spa. Let me take you in and show you around.
That would be great.
So this is our baby project, Nook Salon and Spa.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So we heard about your salon. It opens up at 7 a.m. What's
Yes.
with the 7 a.m.?
Well, I felt the need of having a morning salon. There are so many women out there who are working women and they want to have a great hair day. And there isn't any salon that is open at, the office hours, early morning. So they all are getting late, getting their blow dries done at home only. So I thought, why not? Let's just, yeah, as I said earlier as well, that my habit is to identify the problem in the market, which is what I did here again.
That's wonderful.
And yeah, so I tried to, fill that gap in, and we have a slot at 7 in the morning, the earliest everybody can come in, get their amazing hair transformations done.
Hina, deals तो काफी affordable हैं. So do you charge extra for the morning services?
No, I don't think so. There is any price difference. Prices remain same regardless of the time.
So one celebrity or public figure that you want to get ready at noon?
Well, I really am inspired by Raunak Lakhani. She's an inspiration to me. She runs Special Olympics. She's doing such a great work in the society. I think I would really want her to get her morning blow dry from Noob Salon Spa.
It was great having you, Hina.
Thank you very much.
We'll definitely catch you off guard more often.
Definitely with new projects.
Yeah.
Thank you.